Okay, big announcement here. I finally got the truck fixed. It had a misfire that came up. I put a plug in it. I thought that fixed it. It drive fine for just like a week. And then it came right back, same cylinder. Traced it down to a spark plug cable. Easiest thing, swapped that out. The truck is working now. I have been waiting for this moment because now that the truck is running, now that I can depend on the truck, it is time to start something big on the Mustang. So, I'm deciding to go 6R80 on the Mustang. I know, a lot of you guys say, dude, it's not even worth it. Not even worth it. If your car's manual, go ahead, trade it in, and you should just get one that already has an automatic in it. Well, because you don't know what you're talking about, buddy. It is actually very simple to swap a 6R80 into a Mustang. Don't believe the guys that say, oh, it's worth it, it's not even worth it, just sell your car and get one that has an automatic. Those guys have never turned a wrench on their car in their lives. Those are the guys that take it to the dealership for all their oil changes, to put on their parts. They have a shop put them on. Those are the guys that are saying that. It is absolutely possible to put a 6R80 in a Mustang that already has an MT82. Now, it's not the easiest thing. Not at all. There's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot of, you've got to get a new ECU, a new harness. You're going to run into some problems with the ABS module. Me, personally, it's not going to be my daily driver anymore. So, I've got time to figure this out a little bit. I've got a friend that's actually already done the swap, and he is going to be helping me do my swap. So, I know it's possible. And believe it or not, the 6R80 that comes in the F-150, as long as it's a two-wheel drive F-150 with a 5.0, will fit in the Mustang. So yes, you can go to LKQ and you can find a 6R80 out of an F-150 that is significantly cheaper than the 6R80 that comes in the Mustang. So that is the big news for today. We're already starting to get parts lined up. I've got a seller for my MT82, so it is going to be done, a done deal. I'll be selling the wiring harness, the PCM, my pedals, and I will have a full video on everything that you need to swap from an MT82 to a 6R80. Just here at Walmart, getting my groceries. Freaking skyline in the parking lot. Great day. It's a great day. Man, that thing is clean. The manual transmission is coming out of my car today. I'm in my car about to drive over to Thomas's shop where we're gonna pull the transmission. This will be the official last time that I drive this car as a manual. Next time this car starts up, it will be an auto. And just like that, transmission's out. All right, it's all tucked away. Next time you see it, it's gonna have an auto in it. Okay, so I have the trans cooler. This is just a universal one. You can save yourself a little bit of money going that route instead of getting the OEM one. I have the filter, and then I had to go to O'Reilly's and get 12 quarts of Mercon LV, and they had Motorcraft. Well, at first I wasn't even gonna put this part into this video, but to be honest, this is part of working on cars. This is just a reality of it. The trans cooler I got was basically not gonna work for the setup that I had, so I had to go back, change those out. And other big thing is I've been waiting on a shifter and flex plate bolts for a while. They were hopefully going to be here last Friday, And Friday rolls around, they said, nope, not gonna be here. I'll be here Monday. Today's Monday, and now they're saying it's gonna be Wednesday. And normally I wouldn't be in a big rush at all. I've got the truck now. It's not like I need the Mustang to drive. But this Saturday, my grandmother, she owns an automotive distribution shop in Miami, Oklahoma, and she's having a car show there. It's a car show she does every year, and I really, really want my car to be there. I'm gonna be helping her kind of make everything go over smoothly, help show cars where to park and stuff like that. I want to enter my car there. I want to be able to participate in that on the car show half of it. And so I'm really, really, really trying to have the car done by at least Friday night so I can drive it up there. I mean, I've got everything but a shifter and the flywheel bolts. I've got my tunes in from Lund. Lund was super quick to get those over. Literally next day I had my awesome tunes in, and man, I just want this car back together and I want to be able to drive it up there. But this is the reality of working on cars. It doesn't always work out how you think, and there's always something that you didn't think about. Alright, here's a little update. So last Friday everything was supposed to be here. We were only waiting on my shifter and some bolts for my flex plate. So Friday they call and they say, yeah, we can't find a shifter. It's gonna be Monday. So I missed my event. I missed the car show indefinitely. And Monday rolls around. We're really having trouble finding an auto shifter with the cable still. But Wednesday, we'll have one Wednesday. Wednesday rolls around. Got a shifter. Hey, alright, we got a shifter. No. Open that box up, and there's a manual shifter in there. Now tell me, where the hell is a cable on a manual shifter for an MT82? There isn't one. The MT82 doesn't have a shifter cable. So somebody was blowing smoke the whole time. They're like, oh man, we're really sorry. Really sorry. Friday we'll have one. Friday they call and they say, nope, we just can't find one at all now. Nope. No auto shifter. So I sit down on my laptop. I whipped open eBay. Bam! There was one with a cable on eBay out of a 1314 Mustang. I hit buy now on that guy and it is on its way. So this is now Monday and it should be here at the latest Wednesday because I have a tracking number. And this week I will be running after a week of messing with LKQ. But hey, it's alright. Everything's OEM. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. It just kind of sucks. I had to wait so long. But this is working on cars for you. It's expect the unexpected, and then something unexpected even's going to happen then. It's alright. We're going to be back. It's going to be awesome. Okay, today is the day. The 6R80 is going in. I've got pizza. I'm on my way to the shop right now. It is happening. Now watch how fast we can get this done. There it is! There it is! Like that, the auto swap was done. I uploaded my tunes from Lund, was awesome. Had a little bit of a hiccup trying to figure out the new VIN in the ECU, but we got it figured out, no problem. Got that switched over, started up just fine. Getting a used transmission, I did have to replace the torque converter seal, so that meant after driving it I had to once again pull the transmission, pull the torque converter, put a new seal in it. And actually I got a bad torque converter. I could have gone through and got a different one from LKQ, but I actually happened to know somebody local that had a stock one laying around. They just gave me. It was awesome. Also had to replace the rear seal where the drive shaft attaches to the transmission. It was leaking there too. I was a little surprised about those being such a kind of a newer transmission, but it's no big deal. They're really cheap seals, and now I know I won't have to mess with them later on down the road. Yeah, there was a lot of hiccups in this. There was a lot of learning. There was a lot of kind of curveballs thrown at me during this whole process of getting parts and installing it and trying to make it work. But all in all, I'm very happy with it. The car runs great, drives great, and now we're just gonna keep testing on it, you know? Keep seeing where we can go with the car. I've already been to the track. I didn't film it just because literally I was just seeing if it was gonna make it down the track without breaking anything. And I already picked up 0.4 of a second after the auto swap, so I would say it did the trick pretty well. And I'm just excited to see what else we can get out of this car. And that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way through to the end, that is awesome. I really appreciate it. Make sure and give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the like down below. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.